Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Solutions, your one-stop to travel, work, study and settle abroad. Well, hold on to your UK Biometric Residency Permit because it's just not a card for residency but a ticket to explore visa-free places that you may not even expect. Let's get into the specifics and actually get to know where this golden card can take you. Why is your UK BRP card more than just an ID? Think of your BRP as more than a residency permit because of the power that it holds, thanks to the UK status that comes with it. Places you can visit without a visa are not just vacation spots, but countries have laid out a welcome mat for UK residents like you. When it comes to Europe, the BRP unlocks visa on arrival or visa-free in many countries. Let's talk about a few countries where the BRP allows you to skip the visa line. Well, about Mexico, a hefty 180 days to take it all in and no visa required. Mexico's ancient ruins, bustling cities and warm beaches are all within reach, thanks to the BRP's straightforward entry process. Panama for 90 days takes you to a place where the city meets the jungle. The country welcomes BRP holders with a single stamp and allows you to explore its splendid natural beauty. Jamaica's visa-free entry for BRP holders reflects a bond that goes back decades, and the doors are wide open. All you need to do is pack your bags, check the rules and set out for a journey that's simpler than ever, thanks to the card that you already hold. So this was some interesting news for you guys, and we will keep sharing more information in the future. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.